Hello everyone, my name is Yuni Rostiani. My student's number is 1921220009 from class A. Now I want to show you how to optimize search data with search engines. So let's start it. Okay, the first step we can use quotes. For example, we search about biography of B.J. Habibie. So the search here is pure about what we will look for, and here the search is more optimal. The second, we use the minus sign to exclude words. For example, we will exclude Ridwan Kamil. So here that appears only Ridwan is not Ridwan Kamil. If here the minus sign is eliminated, then what appears all about Ridwan Kamil? The next is using colon. For example, I want to search the name of Alam Rahmatullah on the site sintaristekbrin.go.id. So here is the result. Or we can replace the word site with a link and immediately appear links related to these websites. The next is using an asterisk to search for lost or forgotten words. For example, we forget the title or lyric of the song discussing English, but only a few words that we remember. For example, I still have blah blah blah. So we can see here the continuation of the words that were these. The next, we use search in a way at once. Our example has two topics to look for at once. Best way to make cake, or cake making preparation. So here we can see the data needed for these two keywords. The sixth is using the range. For example, we will look for the winner of Indonesian MasterChef in 2020. So the search will be specific, looking for data on MasterChef winners in 2020. The next is to look for simple things. For example, looking for the nearest Alfamart. So it will give suggestion about which roads can be traversed, and then the location of the Alfamart, etc. The next is search for a similar site. For example, relateddetik.com. So here we can see something similar to this detik.com. The next is using keywords. For example, how to make burger. So here are the results. The next thing is to use the words used by the website. Usually on one of the websites, the words used are more professional. For example, my stomach hurts. This word is less than optimal. Now we are changing to reliever of stomach pain. The results immediately show on anything that can subside or tips, so that stomach pain can be cured. Okay, the next is to convert anything easily. For example, 200,000 yen to IDR. So, here is the result. Is about the spelling that doesn't really matter. The letters are incomplete. For example, NEVR, GIVUP. The result is never give up. The next is search for the specific file. For example, Indonesian population data. And the file type, is in PDF. So, all the contents are PDF. Or we can use the PowerPoint as the file type, then the contents will be in the form of PowerPoints. And the last is to use Google search to do the math. For example, 26 plus 29 minus 30. So, the result is 25. You can use Google as a calculator.